frame isn't just an eyesore, it's a ticking time bomb that could cost you thousands. I know, it seems like a small fix. Maybe you spotted some soft wood, a little bubbling paint, or that telltale musty smell every time you open the door. But trust me, there's a whole world of hidden problems lurking just beneath the surface. Let's pull back the curtain for a second. See, when wood starts rotting around your door frame, it's rarely just about the wood. Water's already found a way in, maybe through cracked caulking, a leaky gutter, or poor drainage, and water is sneaky. It creeps into places you can't see, soaking insulation, rusting screws, and even eating away at the structural framing of your home. Here's where it gets expensive. Many homeowners grab some putty, slap on new paint, and think they've solved the problem. But if you only patch the surface, you're basically putting a band-aid on a broken leg. The rot keeps spreading, all while you're blissfully unaware, until one day your door won't close, or worse, the whole frame shifts. Now let's talk about the hidden costs. Once rot sets into the framing or subfloor, you're not just looking at a new door frame. You could be facing repairs to your siding, drywall, and even your foundation, and all because that innocent-looking rot went deeper than you thought. So when should you roll up your sleeves and when should you call in a pro? Here's the reality check. If you poke at the wood and your screwdriver sinks right in, or if the damage is wider than a few inches, it's time for expert help. Same goes if you spot black mold, warped floors, or if the door frame feels loose in the wall. Professional contractors have the tools to spot hidden moisture, replace structural wood, and make sure you're fixing the problem, not just the one you can see. I get it. DIY is awesome and can save a ton of cash. But there's a fine line. Saving a few bucks today could cost you thousands down the road if you miss what's really going on. So next time you spot that little patch of rot, don't just cover it up. Investigate, ask questions, and don't be afraid to bring in a professional if you're in over your head. Your home and your wallet will thank you. If you learned something today, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart homeowner tips. Catch you next time.